Welcome traders. In this video, we will provide a quick overview of the Binary Viper V2 indicator for MT4. The Binary Viper V2 plots two main signals. A red down arrow signals a downtrend. A green up arrow signals an uptrend. These signals are calculated using the zigzag indicator with a built-in percentage filter to reduce false signals caused by small price retracements. The indicator uses a deviation percentage filter to enhance accuracy, but note that signals are slightly delayed since they confirm after the reversal happens. For a bullish signal, enter a buy trade and place your stop loss below the last swing low. For a bearish signal, enter a sell trade and place the stop loss above the last swing high. Exit trades when the opposite arrow signal appears for optimal profit booking. The indicator comes with the following customizable settings. Price uses the current price chart. Length, number of history bars for indicator calculation. PCT filter, deviation percentage filter. Sound alert, sound file, pop-up alert, email alert, phone alert, enables alerts. You can download this indicator from the link in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.